I have a Fireproof document box. This was actually gifted to me, so I could go ahead and unbox it and give you my full and honest reviews. All right, so I went ahead and took it out of the box. As you can see, it is neatly packaged. Let's be honest, a lot of us have a lot of important documents like birth certificates, passports, legal papers, even backup hard drives. And we tend to shove them in places like a drawer or a random folder. That is definitely not going to help in case of a fire or a flood. So this is when this box comes into play. So this box is built for real protection. On top, as you can see, the outer shelf right here, it is hard and also resistant to compression and impact. Also, this is more than just a box. I was honestly impressed on how organized it is. Inside, you've got a 12 accordion folders, card slots, mesh compartments, and even spots for USB drives. I could fit a full-size laptop, all of my documents, and still have space left. Security-wise, it has a 3 digital mechanical combination lock, so you don't have to rely on keys or worry about batteries dying. The metal zipper adds an extra layer of security, and the solid metal handle makes it easy to grab and go in a case of an emergency. And get this, it's not just fireproof, the zipper is waterproof too, which is something a lot of boxes do not include. So if there's a leak, a storm, or even a burst pipe, your stuff stays protected. If you're somebody who travels, runs a business, or just wants peace of mind knowing your most important things are safe, this is one of the investments you hope you'll never need, but you'll be glad you have. So if you yourself are looking for a fireproof document box, then I would highly recommend this product.